doing here?
Brian, they're gonna kill you. I heard him telling Enrique and Roberto. Once you finish the run, they're putting a bullet in your head.
You sure you heard him right?
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Baron's boys is out. Oh, I see what they're looking for. Your little girlfriend here.
They don't know I'm here. I snuck out.
What the hell are they doing here, then?
I don't know. Maybe they're guessing.
Hey, go stall. Go stall for like 2 minutes. Check her, homie. Check her. Found what you was looking for? Hey, buddy. Hi, guys. How you doing? Oh, man, y'all still mad about y'all car? Don't even trip, homie. Come on, man. Can't take a joke?
Brian, this isn't about being a good cop anymore or doing your job. I mean, they're gonna kill you. You guys gotta pull out.
Baron pay y'all to keep a straight face like that? Because if I was making money, shit, I'd get that mole removed off my damn nose.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much he pay y'all anyway? Every time I see y'all, man, y'all got the silk shirts on, jewelry, you know, looking real Miami. You know, I caught you walking up in the club, you got the hamburger meat all hanging out. You know?
Don't make that run, Brian. Don't make that run.
Be careful.
¿Dónde está?
¿Quién?
Entre y cheque, Enrique.
Hey, come on, no more.
¡Muévate, come
Hey, where you going? You stay right here with us, buddy. Don't even think about it.
Stay your ass off my homeboy's boat.
Put the gun down! Put the gun down now! You first, asshole! You first! Shoot the shit out of him! Put the gun down! ¡Bájalo ahora! ¡Bájalo ahora! ¡Mátalo! ¡Tú primero! ¡Mátalo! ¡Tú primero! Put down the gun now! ¡Te voy a matar ahora mismo! Please, put down the gun! Right now!
Enough! Enough. Shut up. Shut up. It's over. Come on. It's over. Let's go. Sour gun. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I'm glad to see you boys are getting along so well. Because tomorrow, Roberto and Enrique are going to be riding along with you. Just so we don't have any problems. I'll see you guys in a bit. What the hell was she doing in there, man?